are enjoying by doing your work, children. Hope you have studied the letters. You have studied 15 letters, children. Okay. So today you are going to learn one more new letter, that is G. Okay. G. G says G. Okay. So shall we color this letter? Yes. You shall color like this. Okay. This is the letter G. G says G. Okay. Let's continue. One more letter here. Okay. Like this you are going to color G. Shall we continue? Yes. Now you can see, children, the letter G. G says G is looking colorful. Now we'll move to see few words about the letter G. You can see here, children, G says girl. Okay. First picture is goat. G or at goat. Okay. Goat is a domestic animal. Okay. It is a domestic animal and it eats only the green leaves, grass. Okay. And the goat gives us milk. And we use it as a meat also. We eat the meat of the goat. Okay. Next one, it is a girl. Girl means a female child is said as girl. Okay. Next one, gift. What do I mean by gift? Do you all love gift? Yes. On your birthdays, you will be waiting. What gift my mama will give, my dad will give, or brother, sister, friends, aunt, uncle, grandparents. Okay. So you all love the gift, right? Gift means something, some presentation, giving with their willingness, with willingly. Okay. That is said as gift. Next one, it is a gate. Gate means it's a hinged barrier which is used to close and open in the wall fence. Okay, the gate. Okay, it will be kept to the two walls or two poles. Okay, that is said as gate. Next one, it is a Gova. Gova, it is a fruit. Sibekai. Okay. So, Gova is a fruit. Next one, it is a grass. Grass means a short plant which we use it as a fodder. To food the animals, we use the grass. It will be in green color and it is a short plant. Next one, goose. What do you mean by goose? Goose means a large white bird. Okay, same like a duck. Okay, with a long neck. It will have a long neck and short legs. Okay, like webbed. It will be like web. Web feet. Okay, so this is a goose. Next one, it is a gorilla. Gorilla, this is also an animal. It is a ape which have the large head and short neck. It is having a short neck. Okay, and you can see in the forests. Okay, it is a wild animal. You can see in the zoo also. Okay, but it is a wild animal. Okay, children? Yes. So you have learned the letter G says girl, goat, girl, gift, gate, Gova, grass, goose and gorilla. Continuing with our writing part, children, you are going to write the letter G. Okay, that is with the capital letter. How do you write? See here, it's curve. See, you can see a curve. It has become C now, right? From here to the down part, come like this. Go up, take a small like sleeping line, then come back and down. This is G. See here, curve, one small slipping line and coming down. This is G. What is this? G. How you are going to trace this? See here, children. From up, come down, again go up, little bit inside, come back, then down. This is G. Okay. See here, like this. You are going to trace the letter G. This is a capital letter G, children. Capital letter G. Okay. Now we will write the small letter, cursive letter G. Okay. See here, little bit slant. Go up, bend like this, come back, again go up. It has become like A. Like that only you will come down, down and a tail like this. Okay. See here. From here, go up, bend, come down, again go up, come back with the same line and a tail. This is G says G. Okay, see, I'm going to trace from here, go up, come back, again go up, come down and a tail. Right? Like this. Okay, children? Yes. Like this. Go up, come down, again go up, come down and a tail. Right? See here. Go up, come down, again go up, come down and a tail. G says G. Next here we shall write the capital letter G, children. You will touch the three lines from the top red line coming down like this, going up, touch the second line, make a small slipping line and come down. Okay, this is a like a curve. See here, go up, touch the second line and come down. Okay, see here, curve, come down, go up and come down. This is G, right? Yes, see here, I'll put the dots like this, coming down, go up, touch the second line, again down. First you will make a curve like this. Okay, go up to the second line, from there come down, right? Yes. Okay, hope you will enjoy writing this, children. Yes, then for three lines you will touch only the three lines. Okay, right? Next page, again we are going to write G. See here, G. Hope you can see. G. Like this. G. Yes? Yes. Next, what we are going to write? We are going to write the cursive letter G. G. See here. From the third line, go up. It will be slant little bit. Again, come back. Touch down to the third line. Touch up to the second line. Come back to the fourth line and tail like this. Okay, see here, children. From the third line, go up, come back with the same line. Again, touch the third line, go up, touch the second line, come down to the fourth line and a tail. See here, go up, touch the second line, come back to the third line and go up, come down and a tail. Next, go up, come back, again go up, come down and a tail. Okay? Yes. Next, we'll put the dotted one. See here, here also same way, come back and a tail. Okay, so and go up, again go up and down and a tail. Go up, come back, down, again go up, come down and a tail. Okay, like this. Okay, here the second line to the fourth line you are going to touch, children. Okay, yes. Again here you are going to write the cursive letter G. Okay, see here, going up, coming down, again going up, coming down and a tail. Okay, go up, come down, again go up and coming down. Okay, G. Yes? Yes. Your children, you are going to recall what you have studied. That is, yes says N says N, P says P, T says T, A says A. Okay, A says A. Next here down, B says B, B says B, M says M, R says R, L says L, O says O. Okay. In this page you are going to write half of page. Okay. Here children, you are going to write the full page. That is C says K, D says D, H says H, F says F, E says A. Okay. Write it in the full page. Okay. Thank you children.